Hello everybody, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Wendy with Wendy's Paper Junk, and hopefully this will be just a really quick video. I wanted to show you how to make faux ticket stubs. Yeah, so let's see if you can kind of see. Can you see them? And also these are faux stamps, I guess you can say. And if you notice, oops, oh, focus. I'm gonna try, there it goes. Okay, you see the little notches cut out on the side too, and it's perforated. I actually perforated this myself, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so I have this paper pad by Park Lane. It's called Travel, okay? And it has this sheet of faux stamps, I guess you could call them. So what I did was I cut out a strip. This isn't perforated or anything, okay? It's just a sheet of paper. So, and you can do this with just a strip of paper too. In fact, I'll grab a strip of paper as well. Okay, so let me put, let's see, do I have a, okay, so this will be a miniature ticket stub, okay, that you can embellish. This is just a torn strip that I was using for something, who knows. Okay, so you gotta figure out how long your ticket stubs are, which is 2 inches, okay? So 2 inches. So let's say you have a, I'll try to, oops, hold on. Okay, there we go. So you can see it better. All right, so let's say you have a strip of paper here. So every 2 inches, make a little mark. So we'll say 2 inches. We'll go just, I need something I can see. I can't see it. And this is just to show you guys. And wow, that was right on the money. 2 inches. Okay, so at the 2-inch mark, okay, so at the 2-inch mark, we probably should have did it across lightly so you could tell, you know, where to fold it at. Okay, so at the 2-inch mark, you want to fold it at the 2-inch mark. I'll fold it this way so I can actually see what I'm doing. Fold it. So you're going to fold it one way, and then you're going to fold it back the other way. Okay, so you're going to back and forth. And really, once you get that first 2 inches folded, they should all just be the same. All right. All right, so now that you folded it, you can do it 2 ways. If you got a sewing machine and you know how to sew, put your stitches as close as possible. Take the thread out, unthread your machine, so you just have a naked needle, and you can stitch along these lines with a closed stitch, and that perforates your pages. If not, if you have a stylus or an awl, this is an awl, or even if you have a hand sewing needle or a pen or a safety pin, anything with a sharp point, okay? Straight down this line, jab some holes close together, and just go straight down. It takes, what, a minute to go all the way down? Well, not even that long. Poke through all the way. I recommend to have something under it so you're not messing up your table. Do that on the fold lines. Okay, so now on the fold, refold those on where you did it at, okay, and then open it back up. So you should be able to see, let's see if you guys can see the perforation. There you go. See the perforation? Okay, so now fold it the opposite way. Okay, so basically you're just working those creases in. Okay, so now these are ready to tear, but we're not done yet. Okay, so fold this back up. All right, you're going to take your, if you have a hole puncher, just a regular paper hole puncher, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to punch half of it on each 4 corners, okay? And we're only doing half of a circle, not a full hole punch. You just want to half circle. You want to take out those corners, okay? And of course my paper's gonna be too thick. All right, I'm doing it this way so so they're all in the same spot. But if your paper's too thick like mine and you can't squeeze, you can do, I'll show you another thing you can do too. All right, so after you do that, you have your tickets. Can you guys see them? I know it's kind of, the lighting's kind of weird here. Can you see them? Okay, and then let me just show you. So now you can embellish them, you can put words on them, okay? And these tear right where they're supposed to. See? All right. Now, like I said, if you couldn't punch through all those layers, all you gotta do is, all right, pretend these are all full. Okay, so where your perforation is, just go halfway, and you're gonna put halfway, okay, half of a hole punch, and you're gonna do that on both sides. So halfway, and that makes your ticket stub. And you just go down the line. Okay, punching, doing this is your last step though, so I didn't perforate these yet, but I wanted to show you. Okay, so I did all the hole punching, so then I'll come back, and since these already have the dots where I'm supposed to, I just press and poke holes in the paper close together. And like I said, it only takes us a few seconds here. All right, so after you get them perforated, hopefully, oh, is it showing up? Can you see the perforation? Anyway, so then you just fold back and forth you know, each ticket goes the opposite way, okay? And then, you know, open it back up and then do it the opposite way. This just, now I have a set of tickets that are ready to be torn. So those are faux tickets. And like I said, you could do this with any strip of paper. Like I said, this was just a scrap piece. So now I have tickets that you can embellish, you know, and, you know, do whatever you want with them. Okay, so that is hopefully quick. Oh, if you want to, that was another thing. If you have pinking shears, if you have these scissors that make the, like this faux stamps, you know, when you do a faux stamp, let's see, it makes that jagged edge. Okay, so if you have a pair of these, if you want, this just adds a little bit of texture. So if you, because if you're using, if you have a smooth edge like these are, so what I do is I'll fold them back up and I will vary a slither. Okay, if you guys know me, what I mean by a slither, and kind of just, and it makes a rough, I wonder if it kind of, yeah, it makes a little rough edging, so it feels like you've torn these off of another roll, you know, a ticket roll. So, and I do both sides, and like I said, it is a smid, not even a fourth, I mean, it is a smidgen, just enough to give it that rough texture. Okay, and I will do the same to each end. Okay, sometimes, you know, but if you like your straight edge, that's fine. Sometimes I like straight edge, sometimes I want a little, so it looks like it's been torn off. See? Okay, so here are my faux ticket, how I make them. Now I got 2 sets. Now this one I just perforated, because these are this was in a paper pad, so I just perforated them and folded them so it looks like a book of stamps. So I got stamps and I've got tickets. All right, hope that's something you guys can try. Like, subscribe, share, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.